Hey guys, welcome back for another plugin tutorial. Today I will show you guys how to code custom messages with the script plugin like this one. So I'll be showing you guys how to do something a little bit like this. So you do /help and it'll come up with that. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So if you guys don't have the script plugin or don't know how to install it, I'll leave a link in the description to show you guys how to install it and how to put it in your plugins file. Also, I'm going to be using Notepad++, which I think is the best one for this sort of thing, so link for that will also be in the description below. So as we're coding a help plugin or custom message plugin, first thing we're going to want to do is type command /help with a colon, enter, press tab, so the tab button once, type trigger, space again, message. Sorry about here you don't want colons, but here and here you want colons. That if you don't have colons, it will not work. So once you've got all that bit done, this is speech marks, so you need them. You want to do just whatever. Hi, I am here to help you. If you want to do like custom colors, so like this here, all you want to do is type, and I will put on a picture of the Minecraft color codes if you want to use it, or just type in Google Minecraft color codes. It's 1 to 9 or A to F, I think. So you'll do and C or and 1, 2. For now I'll just do and C, so that'll be a light red. So this is the important part. You want to come to File, Save As. Let me come to this, Libraries. Okay, so this part is very important, otherwise it will not work at all. So this bit you can just call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it tutorial help. I don't care if that's the wrong spelling, it probably isn't, but .sk. The SK is very important. If you don't do it, then it won't work. So once you've got that saved, just come to Google. If it loads, thank you. I'm using a free host just for these plugin tutorials, but my server, my paid server will be in IP in the description. That took some getting out. And the host and this free host, along with a promo code link for the paid host. So once you're in your plugins file, sorry for the lag here. Oh my god. You want to come to plugins, scripts. Here you want to press upload file. Sorry for the lag again. If it wants to let me. Let's go to documents. This lag. Alright, I'll upload it. It's wherever you saved it. So once you are back into your game and you've uploaded all this file here, what you're going to want to do is type /script, reload, and your file name. So I called it tutorialhelp.sk. Make sure you use uppercase if you did, and just press enter. So now if we do /help, it will say in chat, hi, I am here to help you. So now if you guys want to learn how to actually make a help plugin, so actually like the actual help part, so we're back in Notepad++, so we're just going to want to do what we did before. Enter trigger, message. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you can have a heading if you want to. So I'm going to call it tutorial help. How many did I do? You can skip this part of the video if you want to, because I'm just going to be creating a help plugin to show you guys how you do it. So I'm going to do into F. Now I'm going to do and C for that. Once you've done the heading, you can just press enter again, message and F whatever colour you want, slash help. This oh my god, this command shows you help. Once you've done that, you can it's basically just repeating itself, so however many messages you want. So slash rules shows you user server rules. Pretty straightforward from this part. Just gonna want to keep doing that for however many times you want, and see tutorial help. That's basically it. So come back here, I'll press save as help.sk. So just upload that back to your server. So once you've got that in your plugins file, just do /script, oh god, script reload help.sk. Once that's done, just do /help, and there you go. So have tutorial help here, the footer or header and footer, if that's what it's called, I don't know. Then you got this command here, message, all of that. So that's it. So also, if you want to just reload all of your scripts, you can do /reload all, but that won't tell you what server, what plugin file specifics. So that's it. If you guys liked this video and it helped you, make sure to leave a like down below and comment that it helped you. If you want to see any other videos, be sure to comment which ones. Other than that, see ya.